Everyone wants to make money, build wealth, and live the life of their dreams, right? But what if I told you that the difference between success and failure in business isn't just about what you do right, but the mistakes you avoid? Stick around, because today we're diving into the 5 critical mistakes that could silently destroy your business before it even takes off. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to dodge these pitfalls, saving you years of stress, money, and maybe even your business itself. And trust me, you do not want to miss number 5. It's the one most people don't even realize they're making until it's too late. Oh, and if you think you already know all the mistakes, stick around. You might just be surprised. Let's get into it. Mistake 1. Chasing every opportunity. When you're starting out, it's tempting to say yes to everything. Every deal looks like it could be the one, and every opportunity feels like a step closer to success. But here's the brutal truth. Spreading yourself too thin will kill your focus and drain your energy. Imagine trying to juggle flaming swords, bowling pins, and a cat. Yeah, good luck with that. You need to focus on what aligns with your long-term vision. Pick your battles, and remember that not every opportunity is worth your time. Without focus, even the most promising business idea can collapse. And speaking of focus, that leads us to mistake number 2, and trust me, this one hits even harder. Mistake 2, ignoring financial literacy. Money can make or break your business. But here's the catch. Not knowing how to handle that money is where people stumble. Mistake number 2, ignoring financial literacy. You've got to know your numbers. Period. Pattern interrupt. Shocking stat. Did you know that 82% of businesses fail because of cash flow problems? That's insane. Too many people focus on making the money, but not enough on managing it. You need to understand cash flow, margins, expenses, the whole 9 yards. Because what's the point of making $1 million if you don't know where it's going? Now, if you think knowing your numbers is enough, think again. The next mistake could wreck your relationships and ruin your business simultaneously. Let's move on to number 3. Mistake 3, neglecting personal relationships. It's easy to think that business is all about numbers, sales, and growth. But there's another currency that's even more valuable: relationships. Mistake number 3, neglecting personal relationships while chasing business success. You don't want to be that person who cancels every weekend BBQ or ghosts their friends because of a work emergency. Building a business should enhance your life, not destroy your relationships. Whether it's your family, friends, or even business partners, those connections are your support system. Without them, success can feel incredibly empty. Up next, the mistake that entrepreneurs think they're avoiding, but are actually falling into headfirst. Mistake 4, doing it all yourself. Now, here's one that's tough for a lot of entrepreneurs to swallow: doing it all yourself. I get it. No one can do it as well as you, right? But here's the thing. Mistake number 4 is trying to be the hero of your own story. Sure, you can build the website, do the marketing, handle customer service, balance the books, and sleep, right? Easy peasy. Wrong. You'll burn out fast. The most successful entrepreneurs know when to delegate and build a team around them. You have to let go of control if you want to grow. Speaking of letting go of control, the final mistake is something that will literally keep you chained to your business forever if you're not careful. Mistake 5, failing to build systems for scalability. Mistake number 5, the silent killer of businesses: failing to build systems for scalability. You can hustle your way to 6 figures, but if you don't have systems in place, you'll be stuck doing everything yourself. Forever. Ever wonder why some businesses explode and others stay stagnant? It's all about automation, delegation, and scalability. Building systems means your business can grow without you micromanaging every detail. It's the key to unlocking real freedom, where your business works for you, not the other way around. And if you want to know how to attract not just success, but the right kind of people to your business and life? Well, you'll want to check out the next video on 5 ways to be an attractive person. So, there you have it, the 5 biggest mistakes to avoid in business. If you can dodge these, you'll already be ahead of the game. But remember, building a successful business isn't just about avoiding mistakes. It's about growing into the best version of yourself. Want to take that next step? Click on this video to discover 5 ways to become a more attractive person, not just physically, but in how you carry yourself and the energy you bring to every room. Trust me, it'll make all the difference in your journey to success.